Before product use, fill the water chamber. The water chamber requires purified drinking water. Do not exceed the maximum water level in the water chamber. Connect the nasal mask to the straps. Connect the short tube end to the nasal mask. Connect the other end of the short tube to the breathing circuit. Connect the breathing circuit to the machine. Put on the nasal mask. Fasten the buckles. Adjust the nasal mask tension to a comfortable position. With the nasal mask on, breathe gently. The machine will then start automatically. Remove the water chamber while the main unit is placed flat on a surface, clean and air dry.